There is a freak snowstorm crossing the south of America right now. I am in Florida. It is sleeting, which is something that never happens in the south. The last time it snowed even a little bit was it was like 5 or 6 years ago. It snowed about this much, enough to make a tiny little 4-inch tall snowman on the trampoline because that's where it was collected. Currently, the projection is to get 1 inch to 3 inches of snow. Hopefully we'll be able to do some things like sledding and making snowman and have snowball fights. Things that Southerners basically never get to do because it never snows and they never get to see it. So if you're in the South, get ready. We're about to have some snow fun.